Today we will discussing about Python versions. Python versions. Python have many versions. First version is 0.9.0 and second one is 1.x, 2.x, 3.x. These are many versions are available in Python. We are seeing small table of Python versions. Version, year, features. First version is 0.9.0. Year is February 1991. This version have many features. Those are exception handling, functions, core data types, of list, tuple, set, date, str. These are the features of 0.9.0. And next version is 1.x. January 1994. This have some functional programming tools. Functional programming tools are like lambda, map, filter and reduce. These are the features are available in 1.x. Next version is 2.x. This is October 2000. This version have list comprehension, and a full garbage collector, and support Unicode. And last is 3.x. 3.x is December 2008. It have more enhancement. It has more enhancement. This is the small table of versions. First version is 0.9.0 February 1991. And these have many features: exception handling, functions, core data types of like a list, tuple, set, dictionary, string. And next version is 1.x. 1.x means 1.1, 1.2 and so on. January 1994, functional programming tools are added like lambda, map, filter, reduce. Next one is 2.x. 2.x means 2.1, 2.2 and subversions. October 2009 year is released. And list comprehension and a full of garbage collector and and support Unicode. Next version is 3.x. December 2008. It has more enhancement. These are the versions are available in Python. And next topic we will discussing about identifiers.